AI is not the future. It is already deciding your present. Every time you watch a video, unlock your phone, or search on Google, AI is already working behind the scenes. In today's session, you will learn what AI really means, how it evolves step by step, and when to use AI versus automation. This will help you make smart decisions in your work. Let's start with a very simple idea. Automation and AI are not the same. Automation means doing repetitive tasks again and again without thinking. Example, an alarm clock ringing or an automatic email reply. AI is different. AI means machines can learn from data and make decisions. For example, face unlock on your phone or chatbots answering questions. So remember this. Automation follows rules and AI learns patterns. Now, the journey of AI evolution. So let's understand how AI evolved over time. Think of AI like a student growing step by step. So in the 1950s and 70s, rule-based systems. In the beginning, AI was very simple. Machines follow fixed rules. If this happens, do that. For example, traffic lights. Red means stop and green means go. But these systems could not learn. They only followed instructions. Then came the 70s and 80s and evolved expert systems. The humans tried to make machines smarter here. They added human knowledge into the systems, like how a doctor thinks. For example, if a person has fever and cough, system suggests flu. Better than before, right? But still, this is limited because it could not learn new things. Then came the 80s and 90s, which is called the AI winters. People expected too much from AI in this phase, but the results were slow and not very useful. So what happened? The funding stopped, the interest dropped, and everything paused. So this is called the AI winter. So the big lesson we learned from AI winters is don't over-expect from technology. Then came the 2000s. It started with the machine learning. Then AI came back stronger. Machines started learning from data. For example, show many cat pictures and machine learns what a cat looks like. Now, machines were not just following rules, they were learning patterns. And then came the 2010s to till date. Today, AI is powerful and useful. Machines can learn, improve, and make decisions. So, for example, like chatbots, YouTube recommendations, Google Maps. So, if you see, like over time, AI moved from simple rules to decision trees to powerful neural networks, which means AI can now handle complex and real-world problems. So AI didn't become powerful overnight. It took years of learning, failure, and improvement. And now we are at a stage where we can use it. Now, when to use what? Now, let's make this useful. Whenever you have a task, ask two questions. First, is it repetitive? If yes, use automation. So, for example, like payroll processing, data entry, scheduled reports. So they are just repetitive. The second, does it need thinking or decisions? And if the answer to this is yes, then use AI. For example, chatbots, fraud detection, personalized recommendations. So choosing the wrong one can waste money, time, and effort. So let's do a simple comparison. Let's make it super simple. Automation is like a robot. It follows instructions. AI is like a student. It learns and improves. Automation means same input and same output. AI means you give any input, like different inputs and different output based on the input. So automation repeats and AI adapts. Now let's take some real life business applications. So AI is already everywhere. In daily life, you see Google Maps helps you find the best route. YouTube suggests videos you like. And in business, chatbots answers customer questions. AI helps in hiring. AI predicts sales trends. So the flow is simple. User gives an input, AI processes it, and gives a decision. Companies using AI work faster and make smarter decisions. So let's do a quick recap between what AI and automation is. So AI learns and makes decisions. Automation follows rules. AI evolved step by step from simple systems to powerful intelligence. And the most important idea, use the right tool for the right task. If you understand this, you won't use AI just like that, but you will use AI smartly.